Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing physical outputs and confirming resolutions, because Propresenter maps what the OS presents. Connect HDMI or SDI, or enable network renderers on your device. Once done, open Propresenter Preferences and go to Screens. Here you'll see connected displays and available renderers. Assign a name to each so you can tell them apart. Make sure your OS shows them as extended displays. Propresenter needs distinct outputs to route content correctly, so double-check resolution and orientation before proceeding. Now map your logical screens to physical outputs and set layers, because layer order determines visibility. In Screens, choose an output and pick which layer set it receives, background through overlays. Once assigned, configure safe areas for titles and enable independent clocks or notes for stage monitors. If you use a multi-output device, create custom layouts per screen so lower thirds or lyrics appear only where intended. Make sure overlays have correct opacity and that keying settings match your downstream switcher or renderer. Finish by testing everything in sequence. Play slides, videos, and overlays to confirm timing and scaling. Watch each physical output for cropping or letterboxing, and listen to routed audio so confidence and audience feeds match. If something fails, first restart Propresenter, then recheck GPU drivers and OS display settings. Reassign troubled outputs in Screens and retest. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Mismatched resolutions often break mapping. Match resolutions or use Propresenter's scaling options to resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.